Friends, the world of tech just got a whole lot more interesting. A Chinese startup called DeepSeek is shaking things up. They've released a new AI assistant app. And guess what? It's powered by their own R1 model. This isn't just some cheap knockoff. This thing is topping the App Store charts. People are saying it rivals the big boys like OpenAI. Here's the kicker. DeepSeek developed this thing on a shoestring budget. Well, a shoestring budget compared to the giants anyway. They used a fraction of the computing power. And get this, they're open sourcing their models. That means anyone can use them, change them, download them. It's like giving away the secret recipe for killer AI. Now you might be thinking, John, why are you so excited about some Chinese app? Well, this isn't just about an app, it's about a major shift in the AI landscape. DeepSeek is showing the world that you don't need billions of dollars in a server farm the size of Texas to compete. This is a wake-up call. It's a sign that the future of AI might be a lot more open, a lot more collaborative, and a lot more interesting than we thought. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get wild. DeepSeek's success story isn't all sunshine and rainbows, at least not if you're in Washington. Politicians are freaking out. Tech stocks took a nosedive. It seems like everyone's suddenly realizing that China isn't just playing catch-up anymore. Remember all that talk about America being the world leader in AI? Well, DeepSeek just threw a big bucket of cold water on that parade. Suddenly, the US doesn't look quite so dominant. And the Trump administration? Let's just say they're not thrilled. They're pointing fingers at the previous administration, blaming their tech policies for giving China an edge. They're calling for stricter export controls, tighter regulations, anything to slow China down. It's like they're trying to put the genie back in the bottle, but the genie's already out there learning Mandarin and building killer apps. This whole situation has exposed a real anxiety in America. We're used to being at the top. We're not so comfortable with the idea of someone else taking the lead, but hey, maybe a little competition is a good thing. Maybe it'll force us to up our game, to innovate, to stop resting on our laurels. DeepSeek's decision to open source its AI models has sparked a fiery debate in the tech world. On one side you have the open source evangelists, folks like Yann LeCun from Meta and Jack Dorsey, the Twitter guy. They're cheering DeepSeek on, arguing that open sourcing AI is the best way to ensure rapid progress and wider access to this transformative technology. They argue that by sharing knowledge and resources, we can accelerate innovation and avoid a future where AI is controlled by a handful of powerful corporations or even scarier governments. It's a compelling argument. After all, the internet itself was born out of open collaboration. Imagine if the internet was owned and controlled by a single company. Shudder. On the other side of the debate, you have those who are more cautious, even skeptical. They worry that open sourcing AI could lead to misuse, to the development of harmful applications, or even to AI falling into the wrong hands. They argue that we need more regulation, more control over who has access to this powerful technology. It's a valid concern. AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or evil. The question is, how do we balance the potential benefits of open collaboration with the need for responsibility and oversight? It's a tough question, one that we'll be grappling with for years to come. So, what does the future hold for AI? Will it be a world of open collaboration, where knowledge is shared freely and innovation flourishes? Or will it be a world of cutthroat competition, where nations and corporations hoard their AI secrets like precious jewels? DeepSeek's emergence has thrown this question into sharp relief. Their success has shown that open sourcing AI can be a powerful catalyst for innovation, but it's also highlighted the geopolitical tensions that are likely to shape the future of this technology. One thing is for sure, the AI revolution is well underway. It's going to transform our world in ways we can't even imagine. The question is, who will control this transformation? Will it be a handful of powerful entities, or will it be a global community of researchers, developers, and citizens working together? The answer to that question is still being written. But one thing is clear, DeepSeek has fired a shot across the bow, and the world is watching. The future of AI is up for grabs, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Please like and subscribe for more videos.